How to view product specification in Amazon shopping. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find it out. First of all, open the application. Now simply select the product that you want to purchase or you want to add it into the cart. So here I'm tapping on this product. Now slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to find the product details and product specification. So simply tap on product specification. Now here you'll be able to get the customized form or general information about each and every single thing about the product. Here you can see everything that are enabled. So here you can see the product name, weight, units, brand, and even additional information related to it. So this is how you look and know if the product is okay for you or not. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.